Hey y'all, I'm going to be working on my DT project again for Sunflowers and Dors. I have 3 postcards from the kit that I have backed. Well, I backed these 2. This one I didn't back because I'm going to use it as a pocket on the back cover of this journal. I'm going to put a line of glue on each side and across the bottom and then glue it in and use it as a pocket. Now, I did cut this postcard down just a little bit. Later, I realized I really didn't need to do that, but it was already done. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. Again, this kit is available in the Sunflowers and Dors Etsy shop. It is her Sunflowers and Dors or Labradors digital printable journal kit. I also have a large tag from the kit and some of the Welltail tabs that I took off of this page. I backed them onto book page to thicken them up because I printed them on copy weight paper. I inked around them, and now I'm just going to glue them into place. In a previous video, I put a tag in this front pocket, and I've decided to go ahead and put a tab on that tag as well. Okay, these 2 postcards I'm going to add into the journal. I'm just trying to decide where I want to place them. I can't decide yet, so I set them aside and grab these large pieces that I made using this printable page. I took these large pieces and cut them out, backed them, and I'm going to use these as just large journaling sheets. And just paper clip them into the journal. I'm actually tucking them up under some envelopes. Now I'll place these postcards under the other side of that envelope. And then I'm just going to flip to the other side of the journal and do exactly the same thing. Now, I know that you are having a hard time seeing what I'm doing on camera right now. I did have some tape on my desk marking where my camera was focused. I just need to get that tape put back on. Here you can see where I stuck this large card under my mini envelopes. There we go. And here's my postcard. Okay, simple, cute. I'm really enjoying creating this journal. Thanks for watching, y'all.